I'm Frank Ammer. I am the new chair of the Department of Biology at Carlow University. I graduated from Carlow University in 1997, so I'm returning to the department that actually launched my academic career. Mainly field ornithology is what I do. A lot of the areas that I look at are I've been looking at waterfowl, migration chronology, and bioenergetics. I work heavily in grassland and wetland areas, and mostly focusing on the conservation and management of threatened and endangered species. Vultures feed on carrion, which are dead carcasses. And when most people see a vulture on the side of the road, they see them on or in a dead carcass of, in our area, mainly white-tailed deer, occasionally a turkey on the side of the road. And most people are appalled by their behaviors. However, this group is vital to most ecosystems as they are nature's trash cans. So by consuming these rotting carcasses, they are also reducing the incidence of rabies and other communicable diseases in our region and in these ecosystems. In this area, we have two species of vultures, the turkey vulture and the black vulture. However, in the Pittsburgh area, the turkey vulture is the most common, most abundant. It depends on what species we're talking about. Turkey vultures have a fairly good sense of smell, whereas black vultures have very great eyesight. All birds have good eyesight, but black vultures have very good eyesight. So a lot of times you will see black vultures actually following turkey vultures to carrion, and turkey vultures can smell decomposition from up to like 2 kilometers away. So it's a pretty amazing adaptation. A lot of animals will not share potential food sources, but vultures do. And they have some other behaviors such as defecating on their legs that you may see, and that is to help control parasites and also as a cooling mechanism for them, because vultures do not perspire. Birds do not perspire, so they would pant, and they have cardiovascular systems that are set up to push a lot of blood to their legs, which are unfeathered, to dissipate heat. Don't be disgusted by them. Actually, if you watch them in flight, normally when people see vultures in the sky circling, the first thing they assume is they're circling over something dead, when in fact they are actually riding thermal currents, and it's just a way of them staying in the air. So you'll notice they ride these vortices of warm air, and they'll lead up, and then when the air cools off, you'll notice they'll come back down. They'll catch another thermal, and then they'll start moving up through that thermal of air.